Yeah. I don't know if you get the Jamaican vibes. Now you're in Kenya now.
Yeah.
So, jam tours there. Some peace and love, African family.
And sunlight.
Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from jamtoursafrica.com family. And I'm here with the tigress of YouTube.
The one and only African tigress, of course.
Yeah, so, you know what I mean? We go way back from way back. So, so, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Let's talk. Because you've been to Jamaica, now you're in Kenya, you experience both worlds.
Yep.
Tell me the difference, like, you know, just tell me.
Jamaica is more expensive.
So number one, families.
The first thing that I was thinking it was going to be more or less like generally the whole Caribbean, I thought it would be more or less the same cost of living. Like here, but yeah, Jamaica is like 3 times.
Three times. I'm telling your family. So Jam Tours couldn't do better than bring someone on his channel that travel the world family. To actually give you some insight. So before you pick a country, before you even try to go nowhere, you can learn from us and learn from the travel vloggers. Because so all of these people looking to relocate to countries. I found Wadamaya while I was actually sitting down on my couch in Jamaica. I was thinking about coming to Africa in the pandemic time. And that's how I get to actually zoom in on Ghana. I never didn't know about any of these African countries than Ghana and Ethiopia. Those are the 2 countries Jamaicans know about in Africa.
Mostly Ghana.
Mostly, So you guys here. So when you come on to your money, it go a long way here. In Jamaica, it's 3 times more for everything. Yeah, what 100 Jamaican dollar. What 100 Jamaican dollar can get in Jamaica now? Because I haven't been there for the past 4 years. So tell me, what 100 Jamaican dollar can get you in Jamaica right now versus to Kenya?
100 USD.
No, $100 Jamaican dollar and 100 Kenyan shillings.
You can barely get anything for 100 in
Jamaican dollar. Barely? Have you ever bought anything in Jamaica for 100 Jamaican dollars?
I can't remember. You have to really go to the very, very market. That's less than $1 USD.
Yeah.
You can barely get. I can't remember buying anything that.
But versus to Kenya now, what's the difference? Kenya can just get, even right now you can get 3 bananas for $100. Crazy, man.
I bought an avocado for 700 shillings. Jamaican dollars.
Jamaican dollars.
Yeah,
and the avocado over here is like 50 bob. That's 50 Jamaican dollars, family.
And then our currency at some point before last year when the Kenyan shilling gained, our currency and Jamaican currency were kind of.
Then you was on Kimber Road?
Yeah.
Wow.
So all these things that you're seeing, all this development you're seeing here.
Yeah.
I've been here on this side, staying on this side for about 4 or 5 years.
Yeah.
All this didn't exist.
Wow, guys.
And it was so cheap. It was so cheap. Okay, it wasn't so cheap, but it was cheap.
Yeah, it was cheap.
Yeah, things have really prices have gone high. In millions,
Yeah, guys, so you guys see what's been happening. We're on Cambridge Road, and as Tiger said, it's building out. We have a new mall up there called Runda Mall. It's building out.
So many. Most of them were not there because I kind of moved to these sides of town in 2019.
Okay, yeah, 2019. Wow. Yeah, it's a good place to be. I love it here, man. I don't want to leave. I don't think if I want to leave, I'll be moving to Nanyuki. I decide to leave.
I do have some land in Nanyuki.
Oh yeah, we'll talk more about that. But anyways, family, back on track. As I was saying, that just to name one thing that is actually, prices and your money reach a long way. What's the other thing you notice with the difference between Jamaica and Kenya?
I think there's a difference in food.
Food, yeah? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, of course how it's prepared, and then some foods exist there that don't exist here. Have you ever seen Aki?
Yeah.
In Kenya?
No, never in Kenya.
Oh, never. Yeah, like Aki, and then I don't know if we have saltfish even in Kenya. Maybe we don't, yeah?
Yeah, I don't see that here.
Yeah, so there's differences in food, and of course the method of preparation.
Yeah.
Oh, what other difference?
Let's be honest.
Yeah, I'm being honest. honest, like I'm thinking of the differences.
Uh-huh.
Oh, you have more beautiful rivers.
Oh, rivers, yeah.
Oh, like the rivers you have are more beautiful because your water is blue or green. Yeah, or just clear.
So green in the river and blue on the sea, and even the river you find some blue hole.
Yeah. So that's the difference. I don't know why. I think it's the type of soil that we have.
Because we have red soil while Jamaica has black soil, right? Is that the case?
I'm not
but
so sure.
Some part you have red soil too. But,
yeah, but I think the type of soil that we have makes our water to be like muddy.
And as you know, Jamaica is right around the Caribbean Sea, so obviously it will pull water from around. So
yeah. Any other difference? Lifestyle.
Like what's the lifestyle in Jamaica?
People are more relaxed. Like I don't know how to put it. Like island vibe. Like good life. You feel the energy. Yeah, like party, good life, feel good.
Yeah, feel good.
Yeah. More of that. Yes, there's people who hustle, but I feel like here we it's just hustle. We do have fun, but not to that extent. Yeah. Like in fact, like you'd find even people who are older there, like people.
Yeah, family. So we're now at Jamrock. Me and Tigress there. So the Tigress are gonna try some lion food today.
Lion food.
So how you like the place, the ambience? Does it feel like you're in Jamaica?
Yeah, from the music when I got there, so it's laid back.
Yeah.
The only thing is that in Jamaica, it's a bit louder.
Yeah. Here you can't play loud music. It's a problem.
Yeah. Also because it's in this is residential as well.
Residential. Yeah. So family. So today we're gonna sample the food and shall give her a review and tell me if the Jamaican food that cooked in Kenya tastes better than the one that cooked in Jamaica.
What do you think?
As I was telling her that.
What do you think?
In Kenya, for me, things are more natural and real. So even like the curry goat, it tastes more like goat. Most people, when they cook goat in Jamaica, it's like imported mutton. And that not tastes good. So in Kenya, you get the real goat, you just cut it and just season that up and you know what I mean? When you curry that down, you taste the real goat, you taste the flavor. Yeah. So in that one, even the oxtail is more fresh. So if you dabble in Jamaican food in Jamaica, you can tell the difference when you come here and then you let us know.
That's very interesting thinking about it. I don't know, I haven't seen. Do people farm like cows and goats in Jamaica?
We never see that.
Maybe
like out in the countryside. It's like way out in the countryside. It's rare. Maybe. It's not so much. As I said, Jamaica has a lot of things imported.
I don't remember ever even driving around the country. I can't remember spotting a cow or a goat.
Oh really?
Yeah, like even driving through the countryside. Because getting around most of the time. Of course, not most of. In Jamaica, the way to get around is by driving. Yeah. So I don't remember seeing a car.
Yeah, and even in Jamaica, when I was buying like goat in Jamaica, I used to have to go in the early morning. If I wait until 11, the butcher shop will close and there won't be no meat.
Oh.
If you want like real meat, but everything is like imported in Jamaica. That's what we actually notice. And that's why, you know what I mean? Like when you come on to food, I'll live in Kenya a million times because I get real and neat and real food there.
I can't wait to taste, and then I'll be able to tell the difference. But I might not be able. You're in a better position to tell the difference because you've tasted like real Jamaican food, different restaurants, probably home cooked Jamaican food back home, and then you're tasting it here. So. I'm not very good at food reviews, but
Maybe you're only good at eating, right? So based on the overall, you like Jamaican food overall though? Based on what you taste in Jamaica?
Honestly, my favorite
what?
Okay, my favorite was patty.
Patty, okay.
I actually love patty so much. In fact,
really? What's your favorite patty?
In fact, there's one that I learned that is not in the hard bread. I've forgotten what they call it. It's bread. It's
cocoa bread.
No, it's kind of softer. Not the patty. It's like fried bread.
Yeah.
So there's another one. I don't know what they call it, but I really love that, and I love oxtail.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So in Jamaica there's different brand of patty. You have Tasties, Mothers. Juicy beef. Which one you like the most? Like
tasty.
Tasty.
Yeah,
I like tasty. I like tasty. Tasty is my favorite patty. And I think they have like when I was leaving, they have like a jerk chicken patty. I don't know if you try that one.
I'm not so sure.
Patty. So my favorite patty in Jamaica family is like the Callaloo patty, the Aki patty, the jerk chicken patty. Yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, family. So as you know, storage full of
food.
The soup are come.
Starting with the soup here.
The tiger says she don't like dumpling.
I find it too heavy. It's too heavy, yeah.
Okay.
I find dumpling too heavy for my liking.
Same with my wife, she don't like dumpling. She said when she decided to chew up, I don't know, maybe it's the flour because when you chew it up and the flour become that.
It's made from
it depends
wheat
on
flour.
Wheat flour, but in Jamaica something I make with the white flour. So you know the white flour is very sticky and stuff.
Oh.
So you have to add cornmeal to it to make it like have that ugali.
Oh, okay. Let me see what we have here. Oh, this is nice. This is nice soup here. That's why I was asking you, does it have dumplings?
Oh yeah.
Because
so it's like a little, appetizer soup.
Yeah.
What my appetite family.
Really nice. Nice vegan.
Yeah, we kind of actually, get you in the mood for some Jamaican food.
Thank you.
You like the soup?
I like it.
We have a wide community. When you travel, you're always gonna meet up on a Jamaican family. So, most people when they travel, they would love to find a spot like this to eat some real food.
To eat
and get
real food.
Yeah.
Real Jamaican food.
So, Jamrock is the spot family. And behind US Embassy, they have a thing called Jamrock Jerk. We bring out the live jerk pan where you can actually go and actually taste the chicken warm, coming chopping on the board. And stuff. That's what I do.
I would want
have
to
you experienced
try
that in Jamaica?
Yeah, of course.
Like
even
on the street side, you see,
yeah.
fresh like that.
Yeah.
So maybe one of these days, tomorrow is when, because we normally like from Wednesday, Thursday, that bonfire. Maybe Thursday's bonfire.
Where?
At the gig here behind US Embassy. So if you're available, you can come.
You see, you know so many things I don't know.
Yes, I'm the local now.
At this point, you're a local. Don't worry, I'll show you around Jamaica when I go there.
Oh, yeah. Always say I want to actually travel the 14 parish of Jamaica. I never get a chance to do it. And that's like something on my bucket list. When I go back to Jamaica, I'll maybe drive out Jamaica with the kids and stop around and stuff like that. Yeah, so, that's something I always say I want to do is to explore the 14 parishes. They say it's going to be 15 now with Portmore coming on board.
Has it been officially included? Have they officially included Portmore?
Yeah, they want to.
Yeah, I was told about that. Yeah. I actually made a video I passed by and was told these are going to be the new officers. Yeah,
what's your favorite parish in Jamaica based on what you experienced? How many parishes you experienced so far?
Westmoreland.
You like Westmoreland?
No, you asked how many parishes. So I'm counting Westmoreland.
Yeah.
Ocho Rios is in what parish?
St. Anne.
St. Anne. Maryland. Portland. St. Catherine.
St. Catherine, yeah.
Kingston. Montego Bay.
Okay, Montego Bay. That's in St. James.
That's in St. James.
Negril is in Westmoreland, I think. Yeah. Have you been to Negril?
Yeah, I love Negril.
So you're saying that your favorite place in Jamaica will be Negril? What's your favorite place in Jamaica?
My favorite place in Jamaica. Okay, of the cities, I love Kingston more than Montego Bay. Of the cities. Of the parishes, I actually enjoyed Negril.
Okay.
I love Negril. I love Ocho Rios, and I also love Portland and Maryland.
St. Mary? Is it St. Mary? Not Maryland. Is it St. Mary or Maryland? There's no parish near Maryland in Jamaica.
St. Mary.
St. Mary, yeah. Okay, nice. So those bars, the St. Anne and stuff. So yeah.
But I think the one I had most fun was Negril.
Negril, okay.
That's Westmoreland?
Yeah, that's Westmoreland. Yeah. So what did you do in Negril like that? you know, allow you to say that you have the most fun in Jamaica in Negril?
Swimming a lot. I loved every day. Every evening was at Rick's Cafe.
Rick's Cafe.
Every evening.
Rick's Cafe family. It's a vibe. Yeah. Especially at summertime and stuff. What about the Margaritaville? They still have it in Montego Bay?
It got destroyed by water.
Yeah. When I was there, that used to be a hot spot. But the one in Jamaica and Witcheries, you have got a chance to experience it?
Yeah, because I was around the 7 miles and then I also went and stayed close to Rick's Cafe.
So have you actually party at Margaritaville? Like,
no, I've partied at places I don't know. Because I was going with my friends and some of the places I really can't remember the names. Or they would we drive, we go to a place, we did go to some exciting, interesting place in Montego Bay. I went to Uptown Monday. They call it Uptown Monday.
Yeah, Uptown. Yeah.
Yeah, I experienced that one in Kingston.
How do you like it? Like, it's crazy, right?
Yeah, it's wild and it's on Monday.
What can you remember?
About what?
Uptown Monday.
Just people dancing. Like, you know, the Jamaican way.
Was there anything that stand out? Like, you noticed that stand out when I went to that party?
Your party what I remember, your party start late, so it just starts social, like not so many people, but when it gets to like 3, that's when like now
really? Wow.
But you know that's kind of the opposite of here in Kenya.
Yeah, because you can have a party on a Monday.
In Kenya by 3, and also by 3 if people have gone out, most people by 3 they start going back.
Yeah.
But there, like the party now starts at 3. So if you go like 10, sometimes you're just too early.
Yeah. And for Kenyans, the Caribbean brunch is gonna be on the 27th of December. It's gonna be over there in Karen. The last time it was Tigonia. You gotta see that on my channel.
Oh, I saw a video on your channel, the Caribbean brunch.
Caribbean brunch, yeah. That's something that if you're in Kenya, they don't want to miss. You know what I mean? So if you want to get early bird tickets, we start selling them from next week. So early bird tickets will be out next week. So link up with Jam Tours, hit him up on that WhatsApp and get your Caribbean brunch ticket. It's gonna be Caribbean brunch with the Jamaican lunch.
That's lovely. I saw it and I saw lots of people had interest in it.
Yeah, a lot of people. Yeah.
Even on your channel, it did quite well.
Yeah.
Why do you think so?
And that's the thing with YouTube now. I look at value in YouTube. I don't really, you know what I mean, do videos for views, but it's more about the information and I'm projecting the value.
That's what I always do as well.
Yeah. So, you know, you can hate somebody that have, 10 billion subscribers because, you know what I mean, what I'm doing, I'm actually adding value, and most people, the percentage of people who like these things is very small. So you expect to have a small audience, but they support you the most. Yeah, so and then you and these people can end up being business together and something like that. Not just someone just watching YouTube and waiting for their bundles to run out. These are people that mature, and these are people that actually looking to come back to Africa in a serious way. But those are the type of people I want to attract to my channel, and so yeah. And I always feel like you guys should find a way to actually monetize your channel, like sell somebody something. Let them have something to buy that.
Add value.
Add value, So I always look at it like that, and that's the reason why I have Jam Tours Africa. You know what I mean? Consultants business, which, you know what I mean, will give birth to so much more, you know what I mean, avenues and business development. Yeah, so look out, family. We're here and we're just waiting for the food, and
I'm so hungry.
So
is
let's
the food
go.
here?
It's coming from here.
You know, I've been trying to move, so I've really literally not eaten today.
Yeah, I'm sure you will enjoy this food because I'm sure it's gonna be nice, super nice. It's gonna be 10 times nicer.
I've not eaten since morning.
Yeah, normally I just eat one meal. I haven't eaten either, but I drink some juice, some coconut water and stuff. And I just eat one meal a day. That's the Jam Tours way. One meal a day. One solid meal. But in the morning I'll eat like fruits and smoothies.
I didn't have none of that. I Like because I'm in the process of moving right now, so I'm not stocking anything.
Yeah,
I'm not trying to stock anything, so I'm just buying things on the go. Like I'm thinking of a day or two, like so I don't have to.
Our tigers are revamping in Kenya, you know, like that's the thing in some life in certain times in your life you have to do that. Like you have to re-innovate, you got to like change how you do things and move to the next level.
Yeah,
so most people don't understand when to move. You're just stuck in one place, and that's what really, will harm somebody's success, family. Alright, family, let's go. Yeah, family, so it's here.
Finally!
Oh my
goodness, it's a lot!
Guys, look at it, family.
Oh my goodness. You said it was a lot? I didn't know it was this much.
Wow, and this is like what, 2,000, you know me?
Yes, 2,000.
2,000 for this family. Only.
This is jack chicken.
Yeah.
Fries. Oxtail, my favorite. Curry goat.
Yeah.
In Kenyan curry, got curry.
What curry?
Yeah. Rice and peas and plantain. Nice. And fries, of course. Awesome.
See the sauce that come here? Sauce for the meat.
That's
the sauce, family. Tomato sauce.
And the gravy.
And gravy. Oh my goodness. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. So we're trying Jamaican food in Kenya.
For the first time.
I need to show. I need to make a small one for my Facebook. Trying Jamaican food in Kenya. Yeah. This place is called
Jamrock Restaurant, Brookside.
Restaurant. Yeah. So we got jack chicken, we got fries, we got oxtail, my favorite, we got curry goat, we have rice and peas, and we have plantain. All this is less than $20.
Oh yeah, 2,000, that's for 15 US.
15 US dollars.
Wow, can you get this for 15 US, family? Trust me. And it's real authentic Jamaican food that cooked by a Jamaican chef.
Okay,
yeah, so
right.
Let's dig in and taste this. You know what I mean? I never come here to eat, but because Tigress gets so much, I'm gonna eat a little.
I'm gonna eat a little. I don't know where to start.
So let's start from what you haven't tried.
I've tried everything, but let me start with plantain because it's easy.
It's easy. Okay. Let's start with plantain. Let's start together.
Really good.
So can you compare it to the one that you had in Jamaica?
More or less the same. Yeah. Did you realize that plantain is not a common thing in our meals in Kenya?
Yeah. And you know, since I came, because even in Jamaica, I never really eat a lot of plantain, but when I went to Ghana, it's a lot in Ghana. And I feel like that's why, I kind of adapt it. But in Jamaica, we don't eat plantain a lot. You notice that?
Yeah. Nigeria and Ghana.
Yeah.
So I still can't believe it. Awesome. Okay. Yeah, Ghanaians and Nigerians.
Yeah.
Their food has more similarities to the Caribbean than East African food. True or false?
Yeah, that's true.
For me, I'm eating a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
So, this is jack chicken, right?
Yeah. This is jerk wings, eh?
Jack wings, okay.
What's the difference?
It's all jack.
Yeah. The Jamaican sauce.
It's really good.
Yeah.
Real good.
You hear that, family? So when you come in to pull up at Jamaica, Jamrock, try some Jamaican food. You won't regret it because, as you know, Kenyan food is very bland. So this is like a spice. The Jamaicans come with the spice and flavor in Kenya and make things nice. So when you want to like change a taste bud, you don't want to have your ugali or your fish or whatever. Just come up at Jamrock for some spicy Jamaican food.
One thing I never knew or thought is I never thought our food was bland until I traveled.
Yeah.
Like I know, and I think lots of Kenyans who've not tried like other foods from other countries, they wouldn't think our food is bland. But you know what? I still love our bland food. I still love our bland Kenyan food. Not so much spices.
Because even me, I eat local. But every now and then I'll crave for some Jamaican food. I'll come and eat. But even me, I eat local, family. I eat my still ugali and greens and stuff.
This jack chicken is good.
Can you ready to do one you had in Jamaica?
Same.
Same.
I just feel like I'm in Jamaica right now.
Okay, here family. So it's the same feeling and the same everything.
They get their spices in Jamaica.
Well, it's only one spice we don't get here. It's a pimento. Everything else we get here in Kenya. So if you guys been thinking to come and start up something, you can come and create anything in Kenya, family. You can have your own recipe, your own whatever you want to have, your own idea. Come and create it here. Everything is here.
Let me go for my favorite.
Oxtail.
Oxtail. I love how it's nice and soft and just falls off the bones.
That's one thing they say when you have good oxtail, if it's not falling off the bone.
Yeah. It's really good.
Really good.
I want to eat everything.
Come on, eat it all. Thanks. Eat it all.
No, like I wanna eat these, I wanna taste these, I wanna taste everything. Little bit of everything.
Yeah, everything has a unique taste. Yeah.
That's lovely. Fries, of course, I know what fries taste like. Some more.
More like yeah. So the curry goat now.
Curry goat.
Yeah.
Goat curry.
That name just sounds strange. Goat curry. I'm used to curry goat. Sounds better to me.
I like it.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah. You know, I'm gonna try that now with the gravy. Yeah. All right. Dig in, tigers. Dig in some Jamaican food.
You see, curry goat sounds strange to me.
Yeah. Okay.
Goat curry sounds. Because it's goat that's curried. So goat curry.
But see, because we Jamaican, we put the curry on the goat. That's how we call it curry goat. Because when you put it in the pot, you throw the curry on it. So I think in Jamaica, that's the reason why it's called curry goat.
We always in order of formation of sentences.
Well, in Jamaica,
the noun comes first before the. Is it called the adjective? Like so, it's the goat and curry.
Yeah.
So it's curried. So goat curry.
Well, in Jamaica, as you know, in Jamaica we do things our way. We just say things that look the same. So if we see something out there like a guy is tall, in Jamaica we'll call him tall man. Yeah, so it's just like that. We just
eat. I can't finish it all.
Okay.
I love it, but I can't finish.
So my favorite thing on this is normally the curry goat family.
The only country that calls it in the Caribbean that calls it curry goat.
Yeah.
Goat curry is Guyana.
Okay.
Guyana calls it like we call it.
Okay. So have you been to? Yeah, you haven't been to Grenada.
I was, but burial happened.
Okay. Oh,
so this gravy is for what?
Rice.
Oh, so you okay then? So put it.
And then you also just put it like this.
You must try Jamaican food at least once in your lifetime.
Yeah.
You'll get hooked.
So that's the oxtail gravy and the rice.
Oh, it's oxtail gravy. Oh,
so
nice.
So this is how it looks, family. The gravy and the rice.
Beans.
Yeah, it has beans and stuff. Yeah, broad beans.
Oh. This is what it looks like.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So Jam Tours and Tigers here. We're having some Jamaican food.
Little Jamaica in Kenya.
Yeah. So all the Kenyans, pull up.
If you've never been to Jamaica and you've been having it in your mind and you want to experience just a little bit of Jamaica, this is the place to be.
Yeah, Jamrock Restaurant. We're in Brookside, BW Business Park. You know what I mean? You know, we have a lot of events and stuff and activities. Buy one, get one free, happy hour, all of these things. Just come check out the spot, family. You'll love it. And if you want to meet Jamaicans, you want to connect with some Jamaicans, you can always come here. If you want to see Jam Tours, you'll see me here most of the time. you know, or I'll be at the jerk pan on here in Gigeri family. So yeah.
You're talking, I'm eating.
Yeah.
When you finish talking, you find the food is done.
Yeah. All right, family. Let's enjoy.
Okay. What would you rate the food out of 10?
Out of 10, it's 10 out of 10.
Minus nothing.
Yeah, family. So, as I said before, if you want to get something flavorful and nice on your taste bud, Jamrock is the spot.
Just look at how the oxtail is falling off the bone.
Yeah.
It's just falling off.
Yeah.
So nice.
Yeah, family. So, let's enjoy. Yeah.
Actually, we have a little bit of everything.
A little bit of everything. Yeah.
I'll carry it.
So
I'll
she
take
can carry it for her mom.
No,
Yeah.
she's not. I'm here alone. My mom
Yeah.
doesn't stay here.
Yeah, family. So as you can see, it was a whole lot, and she had to carry home. So
Yeah,
when
was
you
a
come,
lot.
yeah, go carry home too.
I think this can feed like 4 people.
4 people, yeah.
I think it
easily,
can comfortably feed 4 people.
Yeah.
4, 5.
4, 5, yeah.
So thank you so much.
You're welcome, Tigress. You
The
know,
food
it's
was-
always, you know what I mean, you know, what you did for me is like priceless. I can't pay you. So each time you come to Africa, I will meet up in Jamaica. I'm sure we'll meet up in Jamaica one day.
Yes,
So
of course.
that's another treat for you in Jamaica.
So see, you stay here, I go stay there.
And then I'll come and meet you over there in Jamaica sometime in the future.
Yes, you do you'll take care of me here. I'll take care of you there.
Yeah. And I'm sure you're gonna know more about Jamaica than me when I go back.
Yeah, of course.
All right, family. I hope you enjoyed this video. As I said, go like, go share. Jam Tours Africa. If you're thinking about coming to Kenya and you want to settle, and you know, settling in Kenya is not easy. And most people, you know, if they don't have like a support system and somebody to guide you, might end up going back to your country. Because I met so many people who say they was just about to go back and they met Jam Tours.
Oh.
After that, you know what I mean, them actually, you know, actually purchase properties and stuff here and things like that. So it's very important, family, to have somebody to guide you. You save money and you save time. All right, so until next time.
I wanna ask you, where do you like more?
In terms of what?
Between Kenya and Jamaica.
I love Kenya, man. Africa is home, man. Marcus Garvey said he'll never give up a continent for an island. So that means that, you know what I mean, we all come from Africa as African diaspora or whatever you want to call it. We all come from Africa. The Chinese man can resonate with China. The Indian man resonate with India. The white man resonate with Europe and America. And then the African resonate with Africa.
All right.
And as you, once you have this skin tone, this melanated skin tone, you have to resonate with Africa. Now when nobody want, a lot of African Americans will say, oh, I've never been there, I've never been to Africa. Even if there was Africans in America before slavery, it's Africa they come from. So it's great, you can't go around that, family.
Oh yeah, because they used to sail.
Yeah, they used to say the current alone take
the
you.
current
You don't
will
even
take
need
you.
nothing to navigation to reach the Americans, family.
Yeah.
So it's crazy, man. So I just want people to understand that and know that you know, you should be willing to claim that the oldest human remains actually found in Kenya. So I don't know where you want to be.
All right. So I hope you enjoyed the food. That was a nice meal. I can't wait to try the other one.
Yeah.
The jerk pan.
The jerk pan, yeah. Around at Gigeri you'll find it fresh, we cut Jamaican jerk. So we'll maybe Thursday we'll come for bonfire, right?
Yeah.
And a Thursday family behind US Embassy, Gigeri Lifestyle, bonfire.
All right. See you there.
All right, guys, we out. One love, God bless, Jamaica. I'm out.
All right.